Hey everybody, welcome to Jeep Explorin. I'm Tim, and today we're going to talk about LED taillights for your Jeep. FieryRed recently reached out to us, and a good friend of mine here, John, he's been doing a lot of things for us, so we got him some taillights here that we're going to try out on a JK. They do make this for a JL too, and we'll probably get some of those coming up in the future and talk about those as well. But right now we're going to talk about these for a 2007 and 2017 JK. These do replace a factory halogen light, and they are plug and play. They have everything there you need to just plug them right in, and hopefully these things are a lot brighter than these halogens. And I don't think the JKs have the side assist there, but in the JLs they probably do, so you have that there. But yeah, let's get these installed and we'll talk about them a little bit, and then we will leave you a link in the bottom so you can go and check these out. They are very well priced, and let's see how bright these things are.
Pulling the factory taillights out is as simple as removing a couple screws, pulling the light loose, and then unplugging the wiring harness from the back of the taillight. Now's the point to clean out any dirt and debris left around the taillight from the factory. There is 3M tape provided on the new light, which needs to make a good contact to keep any moisture and debris out of the housing hole. Simply snap on the new plastic ring provided with the taillights. You will put the 2 factory screws back into the holes here at this point to hold the housing on. Included with your taillights is an instructional pamphlet along with detailed pictures. Next, there's a little resistor that helps with flashing issues created from halogen to LED taillights. We put these on provided brackets along with little nuts and screws that come with the kit. You can choose to screw these onto the back of the tail light, but we chose to put a little clip that comes with the kit. There is a tab behind your factory tail lights that we put these onto that gives it a clean look and up and out of the way. Next, plug your factory harness into the new taillights. This is a plug-and-play application. Your new housing will just clip onto the backing that you've already screwed to the Jeep. It snaps right in. Then from there's 2 screws provided in the kit that you'll screw into the side of the housing. You can see here the new tail lights are going to stick out just a little bit farther. These are roughly 3 inches from the side of the Jeep, where the factory's about 1 inch.
Alright guys, so we got the passenger side on here. We went ahead and just left the driver's side on. We're going to pull it in the garage and shut it up in the dark and do a comparison here in a minute, but I just wanted to talk about them here. As you can see, the housing on these are just a little bit bigger than what they are from the factory, but man, that smoke look just really is sharp, and I just love the way that LED outer light, when that lights up, it just looks beautiful and just so much brighter. But we kind of just did a little rough install there, and Didn't get it completely together, but we're going to go in and finish button that up and put the driver's side on. You don't have to see both of them, but we appreciate Fiery Off-Road for sending us these, and like I said earlier, they do make them in a JL. We'll probably get some of those for ours here shortly and show you that. But these are IP67 rated for waterproof and dustproof. They do have some double-sided tape on the inside that you can pull that off that helps seal around. Do recommend cleaning around it, and yeah, I think they're going to be real nice. So we will leave a link to these lights in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to leave us a comment. And in the meantime, as always, keep exploring. We'll see you next trip. Thanks.